If you've been thinking about upgrading your home cleaning setup, you've probably noticed that robot vacuums are getting smarter, stronger, and more self-sufficient every year. Two of the latest models making headlines are the Roborock Q-Revo S5V and the iRobot Roomba Max 705 combo. Both promise powerful vacuuming, mopping, and hands-free maintenance. But they take very different approaches to get there. In this video, we're going to compare these two side by side, their suction, mopping systems, navigation, smart features, and of course, their pros and cons. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of which one might fit your home better. At first glance, both the Roborock Q-Revo S5V and the Roomba Max 705 look like modern, high-end cleaning robots. The Q-Revo S5V has a minimalist, understated aesthetic with a round body, a visible LiDAR turret, and Roborock's signature dual-spinning mop pads underneath. The dock is also relatively compact but still manages to handle dust emptying, mop washing, and drying. The Roomba Max 705, on the other hand, leans into a more industrial premium look. Its base station is larger. That's because iRobot has built in a heated mop washing system and a more extensive self-maintenance mechanism. The robot itself introduces the new PowerSpin roller mop with perfect edge, a unique approach where a single roller-style mop spins to scrub floors while hugging edges more effectively. If space is a factor, the Roborock setup will fit more easily into a corner. But if you're after a base station that truly minimizes how often you interact with it, iRobot's larger auto-wash dock takes the crown. Roborock has long been known for its strong suction numbers, and the Q-Revo S5V is no exception. On paper, it boasts 12,000 Pascal hyperforce suction, a huge leap from earlier models and among the highest ratings in its class. The main brush uses Roborock's SGS certified zero-tangle system, and the side brush is designed to resist hair wrapping as well. That makes it particularly appealing for households with pets. iRobot doesn't publish paw numbers, but claims the Roomba Max 705 has up to 180 times more suction than the Roomba 600 series in spot clean mode. In plain English, this is the most powerful Roomba yet. It uses dual rubber brushes that flex and stay in constant contact with floors, plus an edge sweeping brush to pull debris out of corners. Combined with iRobot's Carpet Boost feature, which automatically increases suction when it detects carpet, the Max 705 is designed for deep cleaning. This is where the two robots really diverge. The Q-Revo S5V sticks with Roborock's dual, spinning mop pads at 200 RPM. These pads mimic hand scrubbing, and thanks to a flexi-arm design, they can extend slightly to reach around furniture legs and into corners. The mop pads automatically lift up to 10 millimeters when carpet is detected to avoid wetting low-pile rugs. You can also customize the water flow with 30 different levels in the app, making it easy to adjust to different floor types. The Roomba Max 705 introduces something new for iRobot, the PowerSpin roller mop. Instead of two small pads, it uses one large roller-style mop that spins as it moves. According to iRobot, this design gets deeper into corners and edges. More importantly, iRobot has added an automated roller mop cover that physically shields carpets from getting wet during mopping, a feature Roborock does not have. The dock also uses heated water and drying to keep the mop clean and odor-free between uses. In practice, Roborock's dual pads are proven performers for scrubbing stubborn stains, but can sometimes leave a bit of residual moisture or streaking on shiny floors. iRobot's heated mop washing and carpet protection cover are innovations we haven't seen before, and they could be game changers for mixed-floor homes. The trade-off: iRobot's system is brand new and untested long-term, while Roborock's approach is more familiar and already refined. Both robots feature docks that aim to minimize your involvement. The Roborock Q-Revo S5V's all-in-one smart dock automatically empties the dustbin into a bag that lasts up to 7 weeks, washes the mop pads, and uses warm air drying to prevent odors. It can even auto-refill the water tank for up to 3,500 plus square feet of mopping. This is a significant convenience upgrade from older Roborock docks, which lacked warm drying. The Roomba Max 705's auto wash dock goes even further. It promises up to 75 days of self-emptying, heated mop washing, heated drying, and automatic refilling. It also includes self-cleaning mechanisms that keep the dock itself hygienic. Essentially, iRobot wants you to go months without touching your robot vacuum at all. If your top priority is set it and forget it, the Roomba Max 705's dock appears to be the most advanced on the market, but it's also bigger and likely more expensive to maintain. The Roborock dock offers nearly all the same functions in a slightly more compact and potentially less costly package. Navigation is another area where the two brands take different approaches. The Roborock Q-Revo S5V uses PressaSense LiDAR navigation to scan rooms in 360 degrees and supports up to 4 separate floor maps. It also has reactive obstacle avoidance tech with structured light sensors to detect cables, toys, and furniture legs. In theory, this should help it maneuver clutter. The Roomba Max 705 combines ClearView Pro LiDAR with Precision Vision AI, giving it object recognition down to specific items like shoes, cords, and even pet waste. iRobot has been working on this tech for years, and it's been a strong point of its premium models. The Max 705 continues that tradition, adding object-level cleaning and room-by-room customization in the app. If obstacle avoidance matters to you, for example, if you have kids who leave toys out or pets that may have accidents, the Roomba Max 705 looks to have the more reliable and advanced system. Roborock's navigation is good at mapping, but less impressive at real-time avoidance. Both robots come with feature-rich apps. Roborock's app lets you schedule cleanings, create no-go zones, and even use SmartPlan to automatically adjust suction and mopping levels based on each room's needs. You can select different vacuuming and mopping modes and adjust water flow on the fly. It's one of the more customizable apps out there. iRobot's new Roomba Home app focuses on ease of use and intelligence. It offers object-level cleaning. You can literally tell it to clean around the couch or under the dining table. And it prioritizes rooms based on which get dirty the fastest. You can adjust suction levels, schedule cleaning passes, and pair it with Alexa, Google Assistant, or Siri for voice control. Roborock's app gives power users a lot of knobs to turn. iRobot's app gives mainstream users a more intuitive, hands-off experience. Both are strong. The choice comes down to whether you prefer detailed control or just handle it for me automation. So which one should you choose? If you want maximum suction, strong carpet cleaning, and a certified anti-tangle design, the Roborock Q-Revo S5V is an excellent option. It offers a very customizable cleaning experience, solid mopping with edge reach, and a reliable dock that covers the basics well. If you want the most autonomous experience possible, care about heated mopping, carpet protection, and top-tier obstacle avoidance, the iRobot Roomba Max 705 combo makes more sense. It's designed for busy households where you don't want to think about the robot at all. Thanks for watching.